guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe and also click on the notification bell so that you can receive notifications each and every time I post a video. And if you're regular subby, then welcome back to the channel. Guys, first things first, I would like to appreciate you guys. I would like to thank you guys for making me reach 382 subscribers. I know it's not much to some people who have 1,000 and plus subscribers, but to me it means a lot. I'm slowly growing my family here on YouTube, and that is you guys. Anyway, enough with the chit chat. Let's jump right into the video. So in today's video, I am going to be creating a makeup tutorial for you guys, because I know I've been slacking in that department, because initially this channel is all about beauty, lifestyle, vlogs, and a new segment that we have introduced now, which is hair. Guys, I am so sorry for the sun, because I decided to shoot while the sun is out. But anyways, please, I'm begging you guys, I'm very sorry. And without any further ado, let's introduce the drink for today. It's just cranberry juice, guys. Relax. It's cranberry juice. Relax. Hold your horses. So if you want to see the makeup tutorial that I'm going to be creating for today, then please do stick around. I don't know, it's all up to you at the end of the day. People don't use a base for their eye looks, right? And obviously, if you want your makeup to pop, if you want your eyeshadow to pop, you must use, it's either a concealer, which is this right here, right? Hopefully you guys can see it, which is this right here. Is it focusing? Can you see it? Yeah, but you guys can see it, which is either a concealer, or if you get one of these brow sets thingies, which is this one from Wet n Wild, you'll notice that it has a white thing there. Can you guys see? It has a white, I wouldn't say eyeshadow or whatever it is, a creamy consistency type of thing. So I'm gonna try and use that today. Hopefully all will work out. You can see when I'm packing in on the product, the whiteness doesn't come, because now it's mixed with the concealer and the white product, right? Shake it up, shake it up, shake it up. I be cutting up shake it up, shake it up. Hold up, when it be. And when you apply this, it makes everything smooth, right? Because you want your base to be smooth, so that when you apply your eyeshadow, everything just blends in together. The next step, as you can see, by the way, I've already done my brows, right? So I just thought, you know what, let me just jump right into the video, because brows is a whole process, guys. I'll do a eyebrow tutorial when I've properly learned how to do my brows in less than an hour. But yeah, anyways, next thing, I am going to be taking this loose face powder from Rimmel, and then I am going to be setting my eyes. When the beat drop, I'ma give it straight to him give it to him, give it to him, give it to him. And I'm doing that with a setting brush from Roll Techniques. Now slide to the beat give it to him, give it to him, give it to him, give it to him, give it to him. Now I am going to be taking my blending brush, right? And the star of the show obviously is James Charles, the James Charles palette. right? And I am going to be taking this, which one is it? This orangish color here. It's like, yeah, I'm going to be taking that. And then this is what you need to know. When you're applying a transitioning shade, you need to tap, 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 right? Because you don't want to go in too hard, right, when you're applying it. So you want to first go in light and then build up the product onto your eyelids. So I'm going to be taking that and then tap twice and then blend it onto your crease, right? So this is... See, the secret to a perfect eyeshadow look is blending. Make sure that you blend because you want everything to be consistent, you want everything to be smooth, you want all the colors to blend in well together, you just want everything to be smooth, right? So next thing that I'm going to do is I am going to try and attempt this. I am going to go in with this dark brown shade over here on the outer corner of the lid. I mean, yeah, outer crease. And then I am going to use my blending brush and blend it. Cut the crease. Can you guys see my eyeshadow look? Everything is well blended. I hope you guys can see, because this is giving me a strong. Translucent powder, yeah, and then I'm gonna set it. If I'm giving you the heebie-jeebies of hey man, she's not doing it right. Paula. So next thing, I am using my Beauty Treats eyeshadow palette, and I am going in with this purple shade right here. Hope you guys can see it, and I am going to place it there. Can you see? Ha! Whoa! So next I am gonna go back in with that transition shade, right, and just blend it right there, because you want everything to blend. See it properly. So So now I'm going to be using a face wipe to wipe off the excess that was falling off, the eyeshadow that was falling off. So next step is I am going to be taking this turquoise color right here, and I am going to be putting it on the rest of my face. Then I'm going to apply some lashes, apply some gloss, put on the highlighter, and I will show you guys the final look. So guys, this is the final look. Hope you guys did enjoy the video. If you did, please don't forget to comment down below if you're gonna try this makeup look. Tell me how you feel about me creating such looks. And yeah man, just follow me on Instagram. If you don't follow me, I will leave my Instagram name down below. And yeah guys, I really did enjoy creating this makeup look, despite the sun disappointing me here and there. But yeah, this is the final look. The girl is glowing, the girl is the girl. And please don't forget to comment down below, like the video, give it a thumbs up. What am I saying? Liking and giving it a thumbs up is the same thing. But anyways, subscribe. Until my next video, I will see you guys soon.